First Minister, as you know, I introduced an Autism Bill back in 2018, which I believed would deliver real and sustainable improvements for autistic people in Wales and their families. A bill which I'm pleased to say that Plaid Cymru supported at the time. Now, as we know, the bill was ultimately voted down by Welsh Labour and the Welsh Liberal Democrats. But with a new government comes new opportunities to address this important issue. So in light of this, can you confirm whether the Welsh Government will consider bringing forward legislation during this Senedd to support the autism community here in Wales and ensure access to a timely diagnosis and appropriate services?
Yeah, the member is right that I and we on these benches were supportive of that legislative response, and going down the legislative route is something that can still be discussed. There is a significant programme of legislation that we need to pursue, but let's keep on talking about where opportunities might arise. But what we can't do is wait for that legislative window and let that stop us from taking action that we're already able to take, of the kind that I mentioned in my previous answer, in making sure that government works across departments to provide the kind of support that neurodivergent people should be able to expect from government.